Hi, Bruchim Aboyim, welcome everyone. It is Thursday. Hard to believe how fast this week went by. And that is when we like to learn and post here on YouTube from the Kedushas Levi. And like yesterday, we're going to look at Deuteronomy chapter 22, verses 6, 7. The mitzvah of Shiluach HaKan, dedicated to one of the viewers here, was a big asken in the mitzvah of Shiluach HaKan. And Baruch Hashem, on my own, I've been mekayim this mitzvah in various ways. At one time, more or less l'mahadrin. And let's learn. Kikar Kansipper, when you happen to find a bird's nest. Zog the heilige berditche v'rav v'levi yitzchut n'sor sashim berditche v'zchut sigoin and kol solmein. Kvar noida sheyesh beis ros. It is already known that there are two types of spiritual arousals, namely Isairus de la'ela and Isairus de l'sata. There's the supernal awakening from heaven, and there is the earthly arousal, awakening from below. A person cannot rely, as a human being, upon the heavenly arousal. Rather, lahanas migeh kapo. He should earn his keep. He should benefit from his own handiwork. He has to arouse spirituality from himself. And then, once he has done that, then the Spirit of the Lord can rest on him. So it's the Leila, which is the supernal arousal. Because God gives wisdom to the wise. When a person arouses himself, that he's already a sage, he's already wise. Then the blessed Lord will give him wisdom, which is the supernal arousal. But when a baby is small, the mother has to turn herself to nurse her baby. So too is by the blessed Lord. When a person has no intelligence at all, he doesn't know how to arouse himself spiritually. Then God sends him the supernal arousal, and you should know that the Taz, the Teitzei, writes in his comments in the beginning of the Code of Jewish Law, when the Shulchan Aruch says that you should wake up the morning and the morning should not wake you up. So it means to say it doesn't just mean you should wake up early in the morning, which is important, and that's the Pashat Pshat, that's the simple meaning. But the deeper meaning is that you should arouse within yourself, wake up the morning within yourself, meaning the supernal arousal and awakening, and not that the morning should wake you up. See there. And so that's the meaning of this verse here in Deuteronomy, when you happen to find a bird's nest. Tzipur miloshin safra. The word tzipur, which means a bird, also is related to the Aramaic word safra, the Aramaic word for morning. The Hainu Behiris, which means illumination, clarity, which you have when it's bright light out in the morning. So when you happen to have a supernal clarity and arousal, Yoralecho Baderach, that's shining on you on the road, Perish B'darchei Hashem, meaning on the way, meaning the ways of the Lord, on the path to heaven, on the path to the next world, that means the good deeds, or in the tree, Teitzei Chaim zu Torah, the tree of life is the Torah. And the mother is hovering over the fledgling baby birds. When you're still a little baby bird and you don't have the intelligence to wake yourself up, then the supernal mother has to wake you up, has to hover over you first. And even though generally God gives wisdom to the wise, but you don't have the intelligence to wake yourself up. But despite that, don't take the mother with the children. Don't rely on the supernal arousal that the supernal mother is hovering over you. Or it should be good for you. The meaning through your own awakening, your own self-arousal. God has more, meaning supernal arousal. Spiritual arousal. Then God has more delight, so to speak. So it says that the Israelites, the Jewish people, give a livelihood to their Father in heaven. That delight that we give to the Creator is called a livelihood, is called parnasa, sustenance, prosperity. And so we find that through your own arousal, then God has more delight. And the greater the delight is, then you'll have more reward and it'll be good for you. That's what it means you'll have long days. That you'll have another benefit from this. That you arouse yourself in the higher levels of holiness through your good deeds. Then there'll be a place for the supernal arousal. It'll stay with you for a long time. That doesn't work. It's not the same way if these supernal arousal comes first. When you're lacking everything, then there's nowhere for that inspiration and that enthusiasm to remain for a long time. That's what it means you'll have long days. Why does it say long life? It says long days because days represent clarity and light. That meaning that light, that clarity that you come from above from heaven, it's going to cause that clarity is going to remain by you for a long time. Send away the mother. Sending means removal. Meaning you remove yourself from materialism when you want. The mother is the supernal arousal. In order that there'll be a place for the heel of her foot to rest, somewhere for it to rest. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later. How do I turn this thing off?